Oh boy, the storm of the summer just blew through your neighborhood. Assessing the damage after the hail melts and downed tree branches are picked up can be daunting. Where do you start? Maybe with the unexpected hero knocking at your door or calling your phone, promising they can fix everything at a low cost. Be wary. This hero might actually be a bad actor who might pressure you to sign a contract on the spot or pay up front, only to disappear with your money or do subpar work with low quality materials, but they overcharge you for the service and the materials. They might inspect your roof only to create more damages so they can tally a larger bill. They might pretend your insurance company sent them. Protect yourself. Your insurance company should alert you prior to sending a contractor or adjuster. Verify you're talking to your insurance company by calling them on a verifiable phone number. Contact them yourself so you're aware when to expect an adjuster. Get more than one estimate. Reputable contractors aren't pushy, and you should never be pressured to make a decision on the spot. And research the contractor's background using resources such as the Better Business Bureau or the Home Builders Association or a reputable insurance adjuster.